is the first day on trying new ramps that are bigger, and me trying to load and unload the truck for one of the first times. So here we go. Successful tries with a brand new ramp, and I will show you now, before I turn this off, the other ramp that I was never successful getting the bike and the truck on my own. 1 minute. So this is the other ramp, and it's great because it fits inside of the truck and we don't have to leave the bed open, the tailgate. That part's fun. The part that's not fine is there's no place for my feet, and it's only wide enough for my tire. You can see here, this is what I started on, width of the tire, so there was no place to put my feet. and this one now. Which is why I could be successful today, thankfully.